Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English objective past question. Question number 28. Now the instruction to this question says choose the word from the options lettered A to E, the one that is the most appropriate interpretation for each of the following statement. And this instruction is to answer question 21 to question 30. And the statement here says the minister means business when he said lazy staff should be sacked. The minister means business when he said lazy staff should be sacked. This means that the minister was dash. So, and the focus, our focus of idiom is on me business. So to me business means to pass serious message. Then option A means aggrieved, B say disappointed, C say partial, D say proactive, E say resolute. Now the only word that relate to pass, that is to take a serious decision, is resolute, that he has made up your mind to take a particular action or to convey serious intent. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.